How to unlock Apple ID account if locked. So if you want to unlock your Apple ID account if it has been locked, then just watch this video. If your Apple account says that your Apple account has been locked or your Apple account has been locked for security reasons, to unlock it, you must verify your identity. Then what you need to do, the unlock account section and follow the prompts. But if you're going with your settings, then it might not work sometimes. So what you need to do is open up your browser and go with iforgot.apple.com. Once the website loads up, you want to go ahead and click on reset password. When you click on the reset password option, now you're going to go ahead and click on start security delay. Or you can easily click on sign. And when you sign in, it means that you want to sign into your Google account. And if your account has been locked, then you'll have an unlock account option right here under your iforgot.apple.com. You need to tap on unlock account and then unlock your account using your email address and your password. And once you reset your password, your account will be unlocked. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.